Hi there. Today we are going to see knowledge-based agent in artificial intelligence. This is a part of the series of lecture which are going on artificial intelligence. Before I start the video, I request you to do subscribe my channel, knowledge-based agent in artificial intelligence. What do you mean by knowledge-based agent in artificial intelligence? Basic idea. Agent is there. Agent is nothing but, if you take in our terms, we call it as a robot, correct? That can take based on the knowledge, that can take action based on knowledge, correct? Knowledge based agent are nothing but, if we take an example of robots can take action based on the knowledge. From where they got knowledge? They have their knowledge, they have got the memory to preserve the knowledge. So let's go to the definition part and see what it is. Knowledge based agent, which is here, the agent, intelligent knowledge based world, real world, taking decision by reasoning, by effectiveness, taking decision by reasoning. Agent also got maintains what? Internal knowledge. If we say internal knowledge, we can say as memory, correct? That can able to take a reason of knowledge, update, and they regularly update their knowledge. These agents represent the world in some form of representation, intelligent representation. Knowledge based agents are divided into two parts, that is knowledge based and inference systems. But before I move on, I again tell you knowledge based agent. There is an agent that has got a knowledge which can, based on that knowledge, it can able to take decision by own. From where it got knowledge, it has got a memory that can able to save that that is the previous state, and that knowledge is regularly updated. That knowledge is regularly updated. That the knowledge based agent must able to do following things. What are the following things? As I said, represent, the knowledge agent should be able to represent different state activities of coming things, and knowledge agent should able to integrate fresh ideas. It should integrate fresh ideas into their memories. Any agent can update its internal representation. They should represent their internal representation of the world. Any agent can able to update their internal representation or modify their updation. The agent may determine suitable action based on the situation. So these are the basic idea about knowledge based agent. What should it do? It should able to represent different states and activities. It should able to integrate fresh ideas. It should able to update internal representation of the world. Agent may interfere with the internal representation of the world, or it may change the world. It may change the representation of the world. It may take decision based on suitable action. These are the things that agent should able to do. Knowledge based agent, the name itself says the knowledge based agent. There is a agent that has a knowledge, based on that knowledge it's going to take some action, correct? And here we have got a block diagram of knowledge based agent. I've got an environment. As I said, agent consists of environment, input to the environment, inference engine. What do you mean by inference engine? We are going to see the next slide. Then there is output. This all is knowledge database. Learning, it is updated again as per the knowledge. There is a knowledge base. There is a knowledge base which goes to inference engine. From there it goes to output. Learning update, regularly it get update. What is this one? The collection of sentence. Here sentence means nothing but the representation of knowledge which the knowledge agent can able to understand. This knowledge base KBS store facts about the world. Facts about the world are real things of the world. And this is called the central part of our knowledge base, where everything is stored in the form of sentence. What is the sentence? It may be a program, it may be something else, whatever it is, but it is representation of the facts. And more important, it's get updated regularly, and with that inference engine you get to see the output. And what is this? This is the environment goes to input, and inference engine based on the knowledge bit it give you the output. How it is inference engine we have seen. The inference means driving new sentence from old. Driving new sentence from old. Inference system allow us to add new sentence to the knowledge base. It is used to add new sentence to the knowledge base. Correct? About the world. Inference generate new facts so the agent can update knowledge. It is divided into two parts, that is forward chaining and backward chaining. As we move on to the coming slides, we will or coming videos, we are going to see different things about forward chaining and backward chaining. Forward chaining is nothing but a data driven approach where the start is available to us. User set the rule, from there it's going to reach the goal. We have got a start position, we set the rules, from there we'll get what? Output. The more data until we add more rules, until we get an output. The method known as outward for the initial is apply rules that match to the known fact and generate additional facts. Forward chaining is something like that. We have got a start state and the data is available to you, and we know the output. We are going to apply the rules so that we can able to get the required output. Backward chaining, starting from the goal. We are starting from the goal. Correct? Here we started from the start. We are starting from the goal or conclusion and work backward to determine if any initial data support to the goal. So we go out from here to reach the starting point. In this method, the inference engine start with the query of goal and look for the rules that could lead to the goal. If the premises of these rules are not known, the system further explores backward, seeking evidence. This process continue until system either find a supporting evidence for the goal or all possible values. So there is a goal, it will look for an evidence to move forward from goal to this state, and it goes on adding to the state so that we can move to this one. Correct? This is what forward chaining, this is what backward chaining. We again see in coming videos what all this. But in this diagram, what do you mean by this one? It is divided into two parts, that is called forward and backward. Correct? These are the parts of this one. And various type of knowledge are different knowledge level. First knowledge is the first level where what the goal is our representation. In this level we understand how the knowledge is represented, and this is a physical representation, how that is implemented. Correct? I've just highlighted the points of what are the important things about this. The various level of knowledge based agents are knowledge level, logical level and implementation. Knowledge levels what the agent wants, logical level how they are connected, implementation how they are implementation. At the implementation agent perform what are the action is going to perform. These are the various level of knowledge based agent. And then we have got something about knowledge, how different types of there is one more slide which is a types of knowledge. What are the different types of knowledge? Correct? Types of knowledge. It's not written, I'll just write types of knowledge. Different types of knowledge. Knowledge is represented in different form. One, declarative knowledge. This is not about, this is about facts. This is about facts. This is about true things. Correct? Then heuristic knowledge, rule, knowledge about something, has some previous experience. What do you mean by heuristic value? If I start from start state, then I have got some values. If I've got 1, 2, 3, I say 3 is the best, then I move from this 3 state. So from first state to second state, I have got some knowledge, from there I am moving. That is nothing but I have got experience. Knowledge about something have got some previous experience. Meta knowledge, knowledge about knowledge. Knowledge is already there, you need to get more knowledge. Rules of step by step rules. Rules of procedures, nothing but step by step thought. Or I can tell there is a help which is given you the help of that particular program. Structure knowledge, relationship. What are the concepts? How the problem is solved? What are the relationship between object and other things? So structural is nothing but relationship. Declarative is nothing but about facts. Heuristic means that you have got the knowledge about the next step, what is going to happen, or previous knowledge. Knowledge about the data, procedural knowledge is nothing but help of knowledge. These are something about types of knowledge. I'll stop here. Thank you very much.